Dude, that's not gonna hold it, man.
Yeah, it will.
No, it won't.
You guys just
Gotta have some
help me pile some shit up then.
Get some loose shit. It's like, oh, fuck, it's all hard.
It might fling back, but.
We need like a big one, you know, to hold it.
Okay,
just hold your foot there, Donnie.
No. Okay, like, see where the thing is right here? Yeah. Let's just pile like more right along here, and that'll hold it. See, like this loose stuff right here.
Let's just put it in the case of beer.
Here, this is a big one. Here, this will fucking do it. Here, Donnie.
Sweet. Bam! Like that.
Yeah.
That'll hold for sure.
Okay.
I'm gonna stand back though, just in case.
Okay, guys, this is it.
Alright, let's move the beer.
Fucking protect the beer.
Good.
Take the beer back.
The beer's good. Yeah, but you guys want to light. Oh, what?
Oh my god!
That was a star.
Is that it? No way. Donnie, you might have to go check it out.
That was it?
Holy.
We're all running like something's gonna fucking kill us.
That was cool, though.
Dude, that sucks, man.
I'm afraid.
The flame just went out.
I'm afraid to get close to it if I'm gonna blow my face off.
No, it was only one.
Dude, that sucks. How much are those, the big ones?
That one was like $6.
I'm gonna take like $100 from me, just go buy a bunch.
Yeah, that's what I did.
Tape it together and fucking.
I've been shooting fireworks for weeks since I've been off.
I like that one a lot. Oh, you almost fell.
Yes, I did.
You almost fell.
Okay, guys, you want to shoot tons
Yes.
12 of these mini ones off at one time? I can stab them in the ground. We can just go like,
Yeah,
light,
let's do
light,
it.
light, light,
Yeah,
light,
let's do it.
light.
Do it.
Okay, let's do it. Where are we gonna put them?
Right
Down
here.
or what? Let's do it where there's like, where it's not hard to push them in.
Are those crayons?
We need
They
wet
look like
soil,
'em.
dude.
Can we need to make them all facing from the right?
Spell your name and just see if it come out like in the
Flat
air.
Or what?
Okay, bend the
Yeah.
things out.
This one's short, dude. This one's like really. Oh no. It's
Oh,
not.
no, that's good. That's all it needs to be. Is just bend it straight out, and I'll light like so many off at like one time. You gotta make them sticking like this. Make them facing me and sticking like this. I'll just light.
Dude, I'm still struggling like with the first fucking one.
You don't even need to rip it. Just bend it. This is gonna be crazy. Like 12 of them. I gotta open my beer first. That's gonna be like It's gonna be insane, guys.
Okay, I stuck them in pretty deep, so.
We still got like one each to shoot after.
Wait,
Oh yeah, there's a couple
how far,
more.
like, one straight line?
That's good. Yeah,
Or
that's
can we
good.
just like?
Just all close together like that.
Okay. How much are left?
It's like.
It's going crooked, dude.
That doesn't matter.
Yes, it does.
No.
It should go like.
No. It won't matter because they're all going to be up in the air anyways. Okay, guys, you guys got to back away. This is going to be some dangerous shit right here.
It's gonna be like rated R.
How much?
That's it, okay, guys.
Okay, wait. Oh wait.
Oops, I got to light.
You need like something to to block the wind, dude. Oh, Johnny, watch out! Holy, that sounds like a gun. Oh, watch out.
There gotta be more.
No, he's lighting them. He's getting them. Fucking wind, man. Shit, they better not think those are bullets. Fuck, that's
Someone's getting
fucked.
shot.
Someone's getting coming to get murdered out here.
They're going pretty loud, eh?
Oh, that one went crazy, man. I'm scared they're gonna see it. Sweet.
It sounds like gunshots though.
Yeah.
The echo too.
Last one?
Yeah.
Did you get burned? Sweet. That's only fucking gunshots, really. We're getting like fucking police on our ass here.
Shooting everybody Anthony Henry. 12 shots fired.
Okay, who wants the fucking...
I want the black one.
Alright, okay.
Whatever. I'll take this one, whatever this is.
Yeah. What? Yeah, some like stuff in here.
Like some burnt plastic in here.
Dude, look like you almost got fucked up there.
Yeah, they're shooting.
They're shooting at your face.
Yeah, I covered myself, but it was shooting me. I'm gonna shoot this one.
I can't get my fucking stuff off.
Oh, I did it wrong. I
Let me
pulled off the
record it.
wrong side.
Did you light it?
Obviously not. Hey, Donnie. Donnie.
Why didn't it go off?
I think I fucking broke mine.
Oh shit! Mine just started by itself.
Why won't it start?
These ones are crazy.
Dude, you don't like that, man. Watch your face. Sweet. Watch out, Donnie.
Hey, what are you doing?
I'm trying to make it spin. I'm trying to make it spin and hit you. That's what I'm trying to do.
You're shaking the thing.
Why won't it spin, man?
You said lots.
I know. Shit, don't be done yet. Don't. One more. Come on. Fuck it. Fuck's sakes. Watch out. Here you go.
Hey!
Hey, who got the lighter?
Dude,
You want me to light it for you? I light these and throw them out the window of my vehicle.
Whoa! Run! Run!
God, get out of here, Nick. Whoa.
Oh, it's in my face.
Whoa!
Whoa!
Fuck.
That one's
fucking,
defective,
fucking
man.
deadly, that one.
Kind of blew my face.
Whoa.
Whoa, Nick! Your beer, man! Oh, shit. Dude, that one was better than ours. What the fuck's up with that?
I had the fucking, like, retarded one. Ooh, I don't want to light. I need a helmet.